name is Kelly Cookie2K10. Today we're going to be showing you my fidget toy collection. Now I have to be a little quiet for some of the noisy toys that I have. But I'm going to show you all of my fidget toys in here. So let's go. Okay, I'm going to lay down. Hi. So the first thing we got are these little tube things. We have a yellow tube, but I don't know where it is. And you basically can outstretch them and then put them all the way back in. I'm going to show you. It's a very stretchy toy. There we go. Next up, we have the infinity cube. I don't know some of these toys' names, but yeah. And I might do an update if I get more fidget toys. But anyway, this is basically like those. It's basically a cube that goes on forever and ever. As you can see here. It's very cool. Next up, we have a Chewy necklace. But it's a lightsaber. It's like a Chewy necklace, so you can like chew it. Or when you have like a regular necklace and you just want to chew it. This is a Chewy necklace for you. This is the necklace for you. It's very nice. Next, one second, I gotta check the recording. It's been 1 minute in. I think I might show you some other toys. Maybe, I don't know. But anyways. Oh, there's a fidget cube here. And another fidget toy that I have. I like to play with it. But anyways. Next up we have these Rubik's Cubes. They're not supposed to be like fidget toys, but they just are. And I always try to get the colors corrected, like yellow. I try to get them corrected, but it's just a lot of colors. So you don't know so you don't know what to do when you see those colors. Okay, again. Small cube is kind of easier, but it's not that fun. How do I move? It's frustrating but calming at the same time. Next up we have Squishy Toy. We have Squishy Unicorn. And it's like, it has a little bite around here, but it's so cute. And this is what it looks like in the front. This is gonna be in your nightmares tonight, I bet. Oh, and also the horn's bitten off a little bit. But it's still a cool one. We also have this one, except it's kind of not like those stand place squishies and then just slowly rises up one. This is just, if you squish it, it's kind of just goes like again. Alright. So the next one we have is this sequins heart pillow. You can flip it up and down. It's basically sequins, but the sequins are rainbows, and then when you put it up, they're gray. It's also shaped like a heart. So that's cute. Next up, I don't know if this is a fidget toy, but it's like these light up toys. And they're supposed to light up, but I don't think the battery's there. So we can just like, it's basically like a little keychain thing that doesn't even do anything. Just, oh, you can also press the button. Whoa. Okay, it works now. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's a rubbing stone. We also have this rubbing stone. This was like the first ever fidget toy, I think, and basically it's probably like made out, I don't know what it's made out of. I think it's like made out of clay, but I don't know. And basically, if you rubbed on it, then it would like give you a wish. We also have this bouncy ball. It can be like a little crystal rolly thingy. It's like rolling dough. Row, row, row your dough. Your dough. Not dough, but dough. So we have a stretchy monkey. This is probably painful for the monkey. I'm sorry, Mr. Monkey, but it looks like you got a burn. I hope he's okay. Sad little monkey face. He's not really sad. He's just. Next up, we have this. It's Dorothy from Elmo's World. It's cute. Next up, we have a Pinkie Pie fidget spinner. You just spin it around. It's cool. One second. It's kind of cool. And it also has Pinkie Pie in it. There's Pinkie Pie on here. My Little Pony on the back. One second. My Little Pony on the back. It also has balloons. Little tiny little balloons. It's basically a cutie mark. Next up we have this bean bag thing, which you can just it's cool. Next up we have this little orange monkey tail thing. Can stretch to 1,000,000 yards. I like to do this. Yeah, it's cool. Ooh. So, and the next thing we have is another chewy necklace. Except it's a triangle and it has ridges that have slowly been bitten off. It's mine. Next up we have these two stress balls. They're also like the elephant, you know, just not really that stressfulness. We have another rubbing stone. We just rub it up. And wham bam, yes ma'am. Oh, we have Minnie Mouse. Now, Minnie Mouse, she's probably like a little decaying, but this is Minnie Mouse, everybody. She has her glove, she has her bow tie, her polka dot bow tie, and a polka dot dress. She has her feet, and she has her cute little face. Next up, we have these two fidget cubes. This one's mine, this one's Joey's. Now, what kind of sucks about mine is that these buttons don't work, but these ones work just fine. And then all of his buttons work. They have little top C buttons. Yeah, they have little buttons here. They have metallic spheres. And also these little things. We also have these little turning things and these things that kind of act like a supportive light. So I always put it into the middle because I like that. Oh, one second, I gotta put these all away. I'll show you the last and my most favorite of the fidget toys. A fidget toy that I have found in the kitchen. A fidget toy like no other fidget toy in my fidget toy collection. A beautiful fidget that will be remembered forever. This. Now you may be thinking, why is this like a fidget? Oh, I found another fidget. Sequins! Keeping it. And also you're saying, why is this a fidget? Well, my friends, you can bend it any way you want. You can make it into a smile, or maybe 2 eyes here. You can bend it, you can push it, you can make it into a square or a circle, and it's very, very bendy. Very, 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 very bendy. That's why it's one of my favorites. It's beautiful. It's also very different from the others, where the others are designed. This one is just a black. This one is just black. That's a homemade fidget. Well, no, not really a homemade, but I found it in my. But I found it. So guys, if you like, so please like, subscribe, and comment down below which one was your favorite. I mean, I don't think the comments will be open, but please like and subscribe. And I would like to ask, what was your favorite fidget? See you next time. Bye bye.